Hey guys, I'm gonna be working on the old Concord today. Car's immaculately straight. And it's an 80. Sat under a carport its whole life. The lady I got it from passed away. I bought it from her son. It's an 80. It's got 55,000 miles on it. It's a 4.2 liter V, or straight six, sorry. When I got it, had a couple valves that were stuck because it had been sitting for about 10, 15 years. Gas tank was full of just garbage. So I put a new tank in it. I didn't need to, but I found a new old stock head. So I put a new cylinder head and some gaskets, and just brakes miraculously work for now. But I just did all new ball joints in the front. Those ball joints were crap. Just getting it ready for the road. I had it tagged when I first got it. Didn't ever drive it. I think I drove it to the store once and put gas on it. It needed front end work. Well, I finally got the front end work done. New upper and lower ball joints, new shocks, put all new tires. That's the last tire right there. I just mounted it. The old ones that were on it were great tread, but 25 years old. It's got one other little spot out here. Somebody spray painted around the lock. I'm sanding that down now. But we are gonna sand this fender down, and we're gonna try to just match it 30-footer like. I bought 3 cans of this stuff from a paint shop. It's mixed with the factory color. It's hard to shoot with a paint gun out here. I've got one. I can do it. Just not going to be doing that under my tent garage here for now. So we will start sanding this down. Series of, I take all the letters and lights off and stuff, but I'm gonna sand it down semi-smooth, get it primered, sand it down again. Then I got 3 cans of this stuff to just kind of try to blend the car back together, just so it will be good from far, far from good. Anything's gonna look better than the rusty fender, because, you know, I'm a guy that grew up in the 90s, so I don't really care about patina look, and especially one fender patina. I like stuff reasonably matching, so I don't know. We'll check back in. We'll see how it looks. All right, we gotta sand it down. I'm about to throw some primer on it, followed by a whole lot more sanding. All that paint just burnt right off. I got it pretty smooth. May not look the smoothest, but I got some high build primer, and I can smooth the primer out quite a bit. This is just a temporary, get me through spring type of deal anyway, so until I can shoot the whole car. So it's just make it look less spotted. All right, I'll be back. Not a perfect match, but I put the stripe back on it, and when it's moving down the highway, you'll never notice. It's a lot better than the rust that was on there. That's what I was going for, just something to hold me over. Blend it up, get it quick buff on it. Once it dries good, and I think it'll blend in well enough for what we're trying to do here. Just trying to get this old girl back on the road. It's too nice to just be sitting here.